Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to do an unboxing of Raquel Welch Unfiltered and RL14 25 Honey Ginger. I purchased this with my own funds from wigstudio1.com, so be sure to go over there and check all those out. So unfiltered, let's have a look at how it comes boxed. I had this wig a long time ago and I no longer have it, so I wanted to try it again. It comes with a little hair you wear card. Just like that. Okay, it comes in a hairnet inside out. Let's have a look at it. Honey Ginger. I believe I've done this color before. I like it. I like all of the Raquel Welch shades, that the blondes, the reds, I love them all. Let's just look at the cap while I have it. Inside out has a mono top, beautiful extended lace front. Very pretty. Closed ear tabs with stays, open wefted, extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Not a lot of stretch here. Just another look at this mono top. That's beautiful, and lace front. Honey Ginger. You know, these are the true to life heat friendly fibers. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, fit. This fits me a little large. I would probably need to take this in a little. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fits me a little large. Now, I can tell already this is going to want to fall in my face. Not a fan of that, so I will probably end up steaming this off my face a little, using a little Hair You Wear hairspray to spray right on the root there and bring it off my face a little. Just a messy style. It's a lob, of course, as you know. Chin length. Let me show you the back. Now, if you've watched my videos, you know I'm not a big fan of combing out a lot of these beachy waves. I like to run just a little sea salt spray through mine because I just want to separate the fibers just a little. As you can see, I just am twisting my fingers in them. A little separation. That's just my way. Everybody has their own way. Y'all just keep in mind, this is just my opinion and how I like to do them. But I don't want to disrupt these curl patterns too much because this is exactly what it looks like. It's a messy style. It's not meant to be too fixed. So just a little bit of this goes a long way. And I like the look I can get with this sea salt spray. Just a separated fiber look, but I think this is definitely going to need steaming, in my opinion. Have a look at this lace front. Now, Honey Ginger, dark blonde, beautiful. Blended with medium golden blonde, and just a blended shade. You can see this blending right in there. Still has the crisscross part. I haven't taken that out, of course. But it's highlighted around the face a little more heavily, which in my opinion is very face flattering to most people. Okay, the specs. The front is 10. The crown of this one is 9. The sides are 6. The back is 7.5, and the nape is 3.5. This is a nice style, I think. I like the ease of it. A little longer here, as you can see. I just, again, think it needs steaming off the face. But you could wear this up and off your face. If you'd like, pull this back. The coverage, I see my bow hair right there. You could shade that in a little if you wanted. And here. So I can see my bow hair on both sides. I would probably use just a little bit of hair shading powder right there and pull that in and shade that just a little. And like I said, this is a little large. I would need to adjust this just a little. Honey Ginger, this is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, where I have Wig to Toe Wednesday, lots of wig giveaways, makeup giveaways, all that happens over on Instagram. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.